Hey there. Today we're going to look at how to download FIFA 23 on PC, so let's get started. First, I'll assume you already have the EA app installed on your computer. If you don't, you will need to download and install it before continuing. Once the EA app is installed, open it and log into your account using your credentials. After logging in, locate the search bar at the top of the app and type in FIFA. You will notice that FIFA 23 is no longer listed because EA has officially removed it from their store. However, you can still download FIFA 24. Simply click on FIFA 24 in the search results. Then tap the purchase button. You will need to enter your card details for payment. After filling in the required information, confirm the purchase by clicking Purchase again. Once the transaction is complete, FIFA 24 will automatically be added to your library. From there, you can install the game and start playing once the installation finishes, and that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next one.